Then I close.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Speaker. And I also want to say thank you for your guidance in this House. Honorable Speaker, I first want to say that security matters in this country must be taken with the seriousness they deserve. As we are speaking right now, Honorable Speaker, I have demonstrations in Embu town because of matters of insecurity, shops being broken into, and those are matters that, Honorable Speaker, they touch in this House, and I believe that as the senior counsel has mentioned, we need conclusive reports on matters to do with our colleague. And not only that, Honorable Speaker, I believe there are so many pending matters that are touching with the confidence that people have with our police forces. Honorable Speaker, we are yet to get reports on what happened to many of the Gen Zs during the Maandamanos. We are yet to get a report, Honorable Speaker, on various issues of abductions that have been reported of even some young people in this country. And Honorable Speaker, I sit here and I believe this House should be seen as a House that allows investigations to go conclusively. And I believe your guidance is very clear, Honorable Speaker, that we have to get to the bottom of this. If Honorable Koimburi, and I believe I have not been able to visit him, but I have seen the press conferences that have happened there. I've seen the hand being pointed to even the police force. Honorable Speaker, I believe also it's important for IPOA, because this is a matter of extrajudicial matter, to actually come in. Because when it is said that Koimburi had an issue and police say they were looking for him, it also points some finger in the matter to do with whether it is the police that was conducting this. And now the IG has spoken. It is important also to get an independent body to give a report on this so that this House can be well guided when it comes to those matters. But today is the National Prayers Day. Honorable Speaker, I believe it is not fair and it is not right for my good friends, minority leader and majority leader, to incriminate the name of the former deputy president just like that. It is right for them to bring evidence and say that he was involved in this, and let's be fair and actually call it like it is. We are taking too much time to debate and talk about the former deputy president when we have very serious matters to discuss in this House. We have matters to do with our debt issues. We have matters to do with finance bill. We have mirror issue that is being now being brought by the deputy leader.
Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to seek your guidance because, Mr. Speaker, I know Honorable Mukunji is a first-time member of Parliament. I know he's learning the ropes. Mr. Speaker, what we discussed yesterday, what we discussed yesterday is he's a first-time member of Parliament, unless he was in another parliament than this one, unless he was in South Sudan Parliament. The fact of the matter is he's a first-time member of Parliament and a third-time member of Parliament. That's a fact on record. Yeah, and he has only served 2 years, like Rigathi Gachagua. Mr. Speaker, but my point of order is this. My point of order is this, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, yesterday what we discussed was a special motion under Standing Order 33. Mr. Speaker, the standing orders that we use here gives every member an opportunity to bring a motion to discuss any matter of national importance. And with the approval of the Speaker, and if you get the requisite number of 20 members to support your request, then you get an opportunity to move your motion. So we should not use up here derogatory statement that we are wasting our time yesterday here discussing a matter of national importance like post-election violence. Someone who's calling people to take up arms, to kill themselves, displace people, cause destruction. You are calling it something useless, unless you support that kind of thing, that you want people to die.
Okay.
Shame on you.
Mukunji, wind up.
Honorable Speaker, I believe that it is very easy for the minority leader to bring the matters of me being a first member of parliament. But they need to understand that I learn very quickly. And in my 2 years, I've studied this house, I know how it works, and I believe I represent the people of Manyata and Embu the best way I can. Honorable Speaker, as I conclude, yes, I want to say that your guidance on the investigation of this matter touches on all our security. We have had complaints from various members on how their security is being handled. Honorable Speaker, we have lost a member of parliament. We know how and what it takes, how costly it is, Honorable Speaker, to even go back for a by-election. Let us all be very keen on our security. And Honorable Speaker, I seek your guidance to ensure IPOA also gives a report on this matter. Thank you.